Good day, everyone. Learn how to check the battery health, the real battery health of any iPhone. So, to check the battery health in iPhone, we need to go to the settings and then we just need to go to this battery option, which is below the cellular. And once you click on that, you will see the battery health normal. But that doesn't clear much. Now, when you click on this battery health, then you will get to know about the measure. This is a measure of a battery capacity related to when it was new. Lower capacity may result in fewer hours of usage between charges. So you can see the maximum capacity is 100%. That means it's new. And the cycle count. This is the number of times iPhone has used your battery capacity. So it has only used only one time. You can also check the manufacture date and first use. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.